A bird does not sing because it has an answer. It sings because it has a song. Chinese proverb. Think about it. How often do you hold back your unique song because you feel you need all the answers first? Your authentic expression has inherent value, just like a bird's melody. What if sharing your unique perspective, even if it's still evolving, is valuable in itself? Your song can inspire, connect, and bring beauty, regardless of whether it's a perfect solution. Let me tell you a story. In a land where colors had lost their names, lived a small gray bird. Fear held it back. What if my song has no meaning? What if it's not the answer anyone seeks? One day, a wise old tree whispered, "Little bird, the world needs your song, not your answers. Sing and paint the sky with your heart." And so the gray bird closed its eyes, took a breath, and sang. A new color bloomed across the land, a soft, hopeful hue of dawn. The bird's song didn't solve problems, but it sparked 1,000 new feelings, a symphony of expressions. What song are you holding back from sharing? What small act of authentic expression can you offer today? Share in the comments below. Embrace your voice. Your song matters. Thank you for watching. AfroSpark,